There are some key features hurting the performance of your Meta ads, be it Facebook or Instagram ads. These features are default features that have been turned on automatically by Meta, but it is your duty as an advertiser to turn on only the features that work best for your interest as an advertiser. Many of you are complaining that your ad is not performing well, or your ads are being shown to people in a different city far from where you wanted your ads to show. All these are as a result of these features you did not know that you're supposed to turn off. If you want to increase your ad conversion rate, if you want your ad to start performing better, then you need to turn off these key features I'm about to show you in this video. So do well to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. Without wasting time, let's dive in. Log in your Meta Ads Manager dashboard. Let's assume you want to create an ad. Click on this create button. For the purpose of this ad, we are going to be using leads generation objective. So I'll select leads. You can use any objective at all, the normal way you run your ad. So I will select continue button down below. Beginning from the campaign level, there are some settings that you need to check. Otherwise, you are going to be getting low conversion. These settings can affect your conversion rate. The first on my list is the campaign budget strategy. If you're using several ads, then you can use this campaign budget strategy. But if you are setting just one ad set and one campaign, then you should be using ad set budget. This will work better for you. Now, this is another thing here you need to take note of. Share some of your budget with other ad sets. You are using just one ad set, so there is no point sharing your budget with others when you are using just one. Down below, if you read further, they say we shall share up to 20% of your ad set budget with other ad sets within the campaign when it is likely to improve performance. So we are using just one, therefore uncheck this. Okay, they are going to tell you using ad set budget sharing may improve performance. We are setting just one ad, so turn it off. Now let's go to the ad set level. I'll click on ad set here. These are other features you need to turn off at the ad set level. Let's quickly go to audience. I'll scroll down here to audience. Now, when you are setting your audience, as usual, you will set your location. Now let me select, maybe I want only Lagos. Now, if you're using cities, depending on the country or wherever you are setting, if I'm using Lagos, I'm also using Abuja here. Depending on the country and the city you want to target, let me add Port Harcourt. Just enter your cities and your country you want to target. Okay, now I have chosen like 3 here. You can select maximum 20. Okay, scroll down, you will see reach more people likely to respond to your ads. This is where some of you get confused. Pay attention here. If you read down below, they say we will also show ads to people interested in your selected cities and regions in those countries. This is what is going to happen here. They are going to show these adverts to people who are not in these cities that you selected. For instance, I selected 3 cities here: Abuja, Lagos, and Port Harcourt. Now, if they feel that there is somebody who is interested in this city, not that the person is living here, and the person will likely want to buy that product, or the person will likely be interested in that product, they will show that ad to that person. So if you are selling a location-based product, what I mean by that is you cannot deliver outside these locations that you selected because it's a physical product. Maybe you're doing pay on delivery. I don't want to send to a far place where they are going to, when the product reach there, some of them will be like, I'm no longer interested and all that. If you are selling a product that is location-based, it's only Lagos or it's only Port Harcourt that you deliver to, you don't go beyond that. If you're selling a product like that, then you need to uncheck this so that they'll not be showing to your ad to more people who are not living in that city. You understand me now? Yes, that is what that feature does. If you're selling digital product, or if you deliver nationwide, fine and good, don't worry, just check it. Okay, leave it on. I believe I've explained that enough. Scroll down. Now let us look at another feature here. Now at placement, there's another tricky feature here that Meta use, which if you don't understand, it will cost you some of your ad budget. We want to maximize our ad budget so that they will not spend our ad budget at placements that are not giving us maximum results. Now at placement here, you will see show more settings. If you click on show more settings and scroll down, for devices and operating system, click on this drop down button, then you will see all devices recommended. I don't want that. If you are targeting African countries, do not select mobile and desktop. Remove desktop, use only mobile. Okay, this one is going to perform better for you because most of our people here, they do not interact with ad on PC. They mostly do that on mobile. So use this one and it will work very well for you. Then scroll down. For platforms, I left it at at Facebook and Instagram. Scroll down again, pay attention right now. This one that they say allow unlimited spend to excluded placements. What are those excluded placements? These ones that you remove, you see all these ones that you remove, those excluded ones, that's what they are talking about. But I don't want to spend any money there. That is why I remove them. So if you remove them and you still allow this, they are still going to charge you for those placements. So uncheck it. I don't want to allow it. Imagine how many percent that they are willing to spend on those excluded placements, up to 5% of your budget. There's another feature here that I will show you at the ad level. Let's go to the ad level. I hope you are following. If you are following, just comment meta ads at the comment section and like this video. Now at the ad level, this is another feature you need to turn off because it's not helping in ad conversion. I have measured it and I have noticed that this is ad set level. At the ad set level, you will see your create ad and use existing post here. Now, after choosing your ad format, you will see this multiple advertiser ads. You have seen some ads where below it, you are going to see that they cluster ads of the same unit inside that place. Now, it's going to be smaller because they will crop your ad and it is going to show under competitors' ad. Their own is also going to show under your own if they check this. But conversion does not actually take place here. So I don't want this, and using these features are not going to improve the conversion rate for you. So what do? Uncheck this multi-advertiser ads. If you have any questions, just drop it at the comment section and I will reply to all your questions. Don't forget to like this video if you have not done that.